show you total 5 colleges notification for the post of professor, associate professor as well as assistant professor in various department as well as private college as well as central government college. Okay, let's start with that first college, that Kalam Harana Reddy Institute of Technology, that is autonomous. Okay, so they require for the professors, associate professor, assistant professor in the department of CE, EEE, ME, ECE, CSE, IT, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, English, Aptitude Trainer as well as MBA. And applications are also invited for the post of programmers, system administrator, lab technicians, office staff, data entry operator, accountant, warden, attenders. Okay, so qualification and experiences as per AICTE norms. Forward your updated CV and testimonials along with 2 recent passport size color photos to the above address or by post by email on or before 26th July 2021. Please subscribe the post name and the department at the top of the envelope. So you have to remember that the last date is 26th July 2021. You have to apply through post or you can apply through email. Okay, so now coming to the next college, that is Narayana Engineering College, Nellore, Gudur. Okay, applications are invited from eligible candidates for the post of professor, associate professor as well as assistant professor in the following department. Here is CSE, ECE, Civil, EEE, Mechanical, MBA, MCA, English, Physics, Mathematics, Chemistry. Okay, also there are vacancy for the non-teaching staffs like lab technicians, programmers, system administrator, graphic designer, DTP operator, junior assistant. Also requirement for the trainer for aptitude, soft skill, verbal, reasoning, technical. Salary is not constant for deserving candidate. Industrial experience will also be considered. Candidates may mail their resume to this email ID within a week, and if you want more details just dial this number. Okay, now coming to the next notification. This is basically temporary post in NIT Mizoram. Okay, so you can see that the notice is released on 8 July 2021. Okay, so here basically applications for temporary faculty in the prescribed format are invited for the Indian National Policing Constitute Good Academic Record. Okay, so interested and eligible candidate advised to carefully go through the employment notice before apply the post. The application should be submitted online at this within 25th July 2021, and there is some fees, that is rupees 500 and 200 for SC/ST EWS applicant on submission of supporting certificate. Okay, so details of fixed, the period of engagement, number, minimum and other qualification given in 1 and prescribed format of application appear in 2. Okay, so I will upload this, I will give you a link, you just download these documents and read carefully as your requirement. Okay, so here you can see, even you can see that the number of vacancy in various department. So ECE department temporary faculty 1, mechanical temporary faculty 3, computer science engineering 1, civil engineering 2. Total number of vacancies is 7. Here are the some essential qualification as well as the specializations. Here they also told about the period of engagement. Here are the application post application. Okay, I will give the link, you just download and fill the form and send as soon as possible. Okay, now coming to that next college, Somaiya Vidyavihar University. Okay, so you just go to their career sections. Here you can see the 2 vacancies for the post of assistant professor and for the also assistant professor. Code number 0007, this is 0008. The college is KJ Somaiya College of Engineering. So I already opened that. So this is for the assistant professor in the department of mechanical engineer. Number of post 2. Qualification ME MTech in relevant subject, BE Tech Medic. Okay, experience 1 to you have to click on this link and fill that form. Okay, now coming to the next, that is assistant professor in the department of electronics engineering. Here also the vacancy is 2 and the experience 1 to 2. You have to fill that a Google form. Okay, so basically this college has two vacancy in the Department of Mechanical as well. The last collegiate recruitment, that is Sairam Institutions. Okay, so this is the official website of that college, and you just go to, and here you can see that career option. Just click on it, and here will be one new page will be open. So here you can see that career online registration 2021-2020 faculty online registration. Okay, so here are the department applying from mechanical engineer, electronics, triple E, CSE, instrumentation control, civil engineering, production engineering, physical education, administrative technicians. Okay, so you just fill that form and submit, and you have also upload. You have to upload resume also. Okay. So guys, if you want more notification like that, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.